Member of Parliament in Embakasi's constituency. I want to take this opportunity to express my disappointment in the just released KCP examinations. We as a nation, we've really failed. The government has failed us. The government has failed the parents and the candidates who sat for the examinations. Take, for example, a school like Utawala Academy, where candidates never sat for sign language as a subject, but the sign language as a subject, the grades have come back to all the candidates. Kiswahili as a subject has not been factored in Utawala Academy. Other schools in parts of the country, there are subjects like science as a subject, which has been released showing that all the candidates who sat for examination scored 75%. So there's a lot of confusion, and I want to ask President Ruto not to joke with the education sector. He's already killed our education by increasing the university fees, and right now universities are preserve of the rich. Right now, even at the level of primary education, we are completely messing with our children. We are using them as a control experiment, as guinea pigs, and we should not reach that level as a nation, because we are stooping so low to ensure that we work so hard in failing the future of this nation. So I want to ask Ruto to move with speed, to talk to KNEC, to ensure that the corrections, the mistakes, both voluntary and involuntary mistakes that have been engineered by the KNEC, should be corrected very fast. They should not blame the system, the Safaricom system of dispensing the SMSs. That is not a problem in this case. The problem in this case is the information that are being released to the students, is how the papers were marked, is how the whole process was conducted. We should not hurry just to release the results to be seen as competent, while releasing wrong results shows a lot of incompetency in our system.